Hi everyone, and welcome to today's session. In today's demonstration, we're going to install Mend into Pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE which is typically used for Python development. My name's Luke, and I'm one of the sales engineers here at Mend. So with that, let's go ahead and make a start. So first of all, I'll head over to the documentation portal, docs.mend.io, and here we have a dedicated article for Mend Advise for Pycharm. Here we give the overview, the package managers which are supported with this integration, which is pip, pipenv, and poetry, and any other technical prerequisites that may be required. So if we launch the latest version of Pycharm, which I have here, we have a requirements.txt file which has been opened. Now, the problem with not using the IDE integration, we're not aware of any direct or transitive vulnerabilities which may exist within this project in terms of the open source components which are being consumed. So to get started with Mend, simply go over to File, Settings, Plugins, go ahead and search for Mend. Make sure you search within the marketplace and go ahead and get this extension installed. Once that's done, you'll need to briefly restart the IDE in order to activate this extension. Once the IDE has restarted, we then just need to authenticate the service. To do this, just select Mend at the top right. And here we just need to put in our work email, which matches the Mend UI, and the license key. In this case, I'm going to make sure it's remembered. So if I just go back to my browser, go to the Mend SCA UI, scroll to the very bottom, and under the ID integration, it will ask you for an organization, and you can then copy the key for that org. Go ahead, paste, and activate the extension. Once that's done, we can then head over to Advise and run the scan directly within the IDE. Once the scan is complete, we then can see the output of vulnerabilities detected within the Problems tab at the bottom, and also conveniently highlighted in the requirements.txt file in this pip example. Here we can see PyYAML 5.1 has 3 critical vulnerabilities. And as we look through them, there is an aggregated fix available, which involves updating to 5.4. I'll go ahead and change that to 5.4, save this file, and install the requirement. At the bottom, we can see the package is being installed. And once that's done, Mend will automatically run another scan. Once that scan is then completed, we can see we have reduced the overall vulnerabilities, and PyYAML has now been remediated. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need any more information, feel free to contact us at mend.io. Cheers.